right now we're on the way to my tattoo appointment, and I'm a little bit nervous, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit anxious, but overall, I'm excited. After this 5-hour session at the tattoo shop, I'm gonna try to see if I could go wash my car because tomorrow is Impact. So yeah, let's go get this tattoo and pray for me because this is the longest tattoo that I've gotten to this day. But yeah, oh my God. I was hoping that my car would be lowered by the time Impact happened, and it should have been lowered, but I'm still waiting on the bump stops from Dining. I feel like I sound like a broken record every time I say that, but I'm still waiting on them. They're still on back order. They're still on back order. I did find a used pair in Jersey, but the thing with that is they said that they're on vacation until the 24th of this month. So if I don't get my bump stops by the 24th, I might just end up scooping that used pair and lowering my car. I don't know, guys. I just really want to lower my car. At this point, it's like, I don't even know what to do anymore. I ordered my lowering springs and the bump stops July 8th. Today, right now, it is August 16th, a month and 8 days, and I still have not received my bump stops. It's crazy. But for anyone that doesn't know what I'm talking about, this is what the bump stops look like. But yeah, once we get that, I'm lowering the car instantly. Also, I forgot to mention, I tried to return the eBay lip that I bought that was shitty quality, and eBay's not letting me return it. Every time I try to print out the return shipping label, it gives me an error. So I think I'm gonna just chalk it up to the game and just, it is what it is. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and throw that lip on the car and just rock it until I get a better one. I think that's what I'm gonna do, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that this is the parking lot for the tattoo shop, but we gonna see. But yeah, guys, let me show you the spacers, how my fitment is now. So this is the fitment right now. I went with 13 millimeters in the front. I left the rear how it is. I didn't put any spacers on the rear, but this is how it looks right now. Yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my phone to record just because I don't like putting a camera in people's faces. Bandit, 2 horses.
You don't mind going up into your ditch a little bit, right?
Nah, yeah, I don't.
Okay.
Whatever you think will look best, that's what we're going with.
All right.
It's a nice top view just on the sunflower. Instead of these two, rework that. If we have time for it, we got this guy. We can find room for him somewhere here.
Yeah, you can't even hold the phone. so it'll take about 2 weeks. We could try to go get a nice picture if you want.
Yeah.
But we gotta let it chill again with some of this, and then we'll go down and get a good one. I want one too.
Damn, this is nice. Exceeded my expectations by a million.
Parks, his horse goes in, I think he gets a haircut, and he comes out and he finds the guys in there.
Alright guys, so I just finished up my tattoo. I have a second skin on right now, so you probably can't even see it. But let's get to my car because I am parked in a private property parking lot. I'm super happy with the result. I love it. It came out better than I even envisioned. So, oh, let me give you guys a cold start. Hold on. So we just finished getting a tattoo. Y'all see it, crazy detail. But I'm hungry. I haven't ate since maybe like 1 o'clock. And right now it is 9 p.m. I've been here since 4. And I don't know what I want to eat, but we gotta go get some food. Like right now. I was gonna wash my car, but I don't know if I really want to wash my car. If I do wash the car, I'll put in this video. If I don't wash the car, then you know, it is what it is.
Bro, that shit looks like milk. Yeah, what that look like?